How to use Airtable for personal productivity. Airtable can be a powerful tool for personal productivity, offering a flexible platform to organize and manage your taxes, your projects, and your data. So, how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, just like I have done here. And then, once you're logged in, the next step is to set up your workspace. So, this is your workspace. And then to set up your workspace, you have to create a workspace that can house or in a way whereby your head table would house all your personal projects and taxes. And this is by creating bases and naming them or naming them with your personal project and taxes. So once you've created different bases for for various aspects of your life, for example, for me, you can see content calendar, you can see events planning, and then for you, it could be work, hobbies, etc. Just go ahead and create those bases. Then once you've created the bases, open the base one after the other, and then ensure that each of these base has multiple tables for different categories or type of information. So for example, in this base of mine that I just opened, you can see um the different tables, so you can just organize different tables. You organize your base using the different tables, and then once you're done like that, you can also customize your fields. Yeah, to customize your fields to track specific details like tax name, due date, etc. You can use different views, take advantage of the different views like grid, calendar for increased productivity. You can also link records. Yeah, it's very important. You can create links between related records across tables to keep your data interconnected. For example, there are about 4 tables here. So if what is in table 2 is connected to table 1, you can just link the records together so that your data can be interconnected. And it can also automate repeated tasks by going to the top part of the screen. Click on automations, select a trigger. The trigger could be or should be something that you do repeatedly. Okay, so then once you are done doing that, it will help a whole lot. And then you can also integrate with other tools. You can collaborate when needed, just to ensure that your productivity is enhanced. So this is how you can use a table for personal productivity. I hope the tutorial has been helpful and has clarified a lot of things to you. Ensure you try what or you have learned out. Thanks for watching.